Alright guys, today we're going to go over how to install this ALLTOP overland 6-foot by 8-foot awning onto my Prinsu roof rack. And I got a 2008 FJ Cruiser. Taking a closer look over here, you can see there's really no way to get underneath there and put the brackets on there. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to bolt it directly to the side of the roof rack using these slots right up here. Alright, so some of the hardware that you're going to need are these M6 T-slot bolts, and you can find these in Amazon, but I'll be putting a link in the description for this. But you can see these fit perfectly in to the track over here, just like so. And they seem pretty solid to me. I'm going to be using 6 of these, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and 2 in the middle. They actually fit right in there. Just like that. So it looks about the perfect size. So what I'm doing here is I'm using my T-slot bolt with 1 big washer on the bolt head, 5 small washers to be used as spacers, and then 1 more large washer over here that's going to go up onto the roof rack. Then the roof rack is going to be right in between that. Then there will be another large washer right there, and then the nylock is going to be right behind that to keep everything locked down. And I think that should work out pretty nicely. These bolts, 6 of them should be enough to hold the weight of the awning, which is honestly not even that heavy. So these are the bolts. God. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just slide it over to you, okay, so you have more leverage in holding that. God, these pockets are the best. Yep. And then, okay, got it. Awesome. Yeah. All right. Damn. Perfect. Actually, my first time really opening this. There we go. Dude, damn, that's huge. All right. Okay. There we go. So that's locked. So it looks like these only work in grass or something. They have little pegs on them. That'll be perfect for a little mini tent, yeah, like ground tent. I'm
telling them to stand up under it, so.
Yeah. And then I would just hold these down. Yep. I'm not gonna worry about doing that right now. All right.
I wonder if you can like 3D print little bases.
Yeah, that's a good idea actually. So then on like something like this,
you can't just stick it in.
Yep. Yeah. Let's push this up then. Really an easy way to do this, just one person.
There's probably a...
There might be a video, actually.
It goes out.
Yeah. Yeah. Right there. Right. Yeah. Something like that.
If you do it with one person, but it's definitely easier to...
Yeah. Oh, yeah.